and a quick stop off I-90 in the middle of South Dakota somewhere, and produced the I-90 TV Hotel. And we got in with a little trial and error using the numbers in the description to get into the lock, but we managed to get in there, and we've deposited several geo-trackable tags into the jar to send them on their way to make sure we don't lose them, because you don't want to keep a hold of trackable items too long. You want to get rid of them as quickly as you can and move them along. Signed log, and we'll move on further west, and I think maybe Wall Drug might be coming up. Signs keep saying we're getting closer.
I need that. I'm not saying that rhetorically. I mean that.
So there it is, Wall Drug. They get you all down the highway with sign after sign after sign, just priming you up. You just gotta go. By the time you see the 1,000th sign or billboard down I-90, you gotta go and see it. And then you get here, and then they're closed. What a letdown. I was so looking forward to it. I was so brainwashed into wanting to go to Wall Drug. I had to go. Here it is, and not even a geocache. There were, however, 2 adventure labs.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow, that's really cool.
The swag pool.
Swag pool, suite 101, 102, different suites, and a spider, live-in guest. That's really cool. And there's the logbook. That is a really cool TV hotel. Like over 300 favorite points for this one. And you can see why such effort was put in. And the neat fact that they could put them here and they're just left alone. That's really cool. And I have nothing to deposit or nobody to drop off for a hotel stay. So we'll just kind of look around and move on west. But I wanted to share this really cool geocache with you. It's part of our moving west. We're checking them out as we go. We hope you're enjoying the time with us as we go. Yeah, we've been there. Just a bunch of swag. Oh, look at that. That's Terry Labonte. He was one of my drivers for NASCAR. Suite 101. Nobody's checked in there. Suite 102. Oh. Yep, there's a travel bug. A couple of them. There we go. There you go. Geocaching is the key to happiness.